This screwdriver kit is very convenient for when you need to assemble some electronics.
In this video, we're going to show you the precision screwdriver set with 47 pieces that I got sent out for review. These are 4mm screwdriver bits, Phillips, also the Torque Security, also the star, the pentalobe, the flathead, hex, triangle, tray winding, game bit, nut driver, square, spanner, ICS, along with fine tweezers and metal spatcher. Covers most screw models in life to meet daily needs, and this mini screwdriver set has everything that professional needs, and also not that professional person. If you are using it for some toys, some batteries, exchange batteries from a device, or just to fix your smartphone, your watches, some glasses, laptops, tablets, doorbells, all of these can use with those devices. It has this push pop-up design and magnetic storage. You can use this screwdriver for electronics. It is lightweight and you can fit it in every drawer, toolbox, or backpack.
As you can see, they have several bits types. You have the Phillips, the flat, and different sizes. The other side you have more of them. They are magnetic, so they won't fall, right? As you can see, they don't fall.
It has a very durable material and you can grab it very, very easily.
The case is very compact, so you can easily carry it on in your backpack or something, not heavy. Very convenient for traveling or carry it around. Also very discreet.